Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code 403 in Roblox. Before I continue, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So check if Roblox is down on down detector. So you want to type in down detector Roblox and you want to see is it down or up. As you can see, Roblox is not experiencing any issues at the moment. Another way is just to restart computer. Then if that doesn't work, restart your router and the modem. If that doesn't work, turn off your VPN and potentially your antivirus. Another way is to clear the Roblox cache. If that doesn't work, reinstall Roblox. And if that also doesn't work, just contact Roblox supports and they will help you out, determine what's actually your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.